Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Nissan Altima key battery. First, let's gather the essential tools you'll need for this simple task. You'll want a small flathead screwdriver, a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery, and of course, your key fob. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in, as some parts are quite small. This entire process is very straightforward and should take you less than 5 minutes. Now that you have your tools ready, let's open up the key fob. First, find the small release button on the back of your fob. Slide it over and pull out the emergency key. This reveals a small notch. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this notch. With a gentle twist, you can pry apart the two halves of the key fob casing. Be careful not to use too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Then, use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry out the old battery. Now, take your new CR2032 coin cell battery. Make sure to insert it with the positive or plus side facing upwards, just like the old one was. Press it firmly into place to ensure it makes good contact. Almost done. Now, carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Don't forget to slide the emergency key back into its slot until it locks into place. Finally, it's time to test your work. Go to your vehicle and try locking and unlocking the doors from a short distance to confirm the new battery is working perfectly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.